Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to pay for Doordash with Cash App. Okay, it's really straightforward once you know the steps. And if you've been using Cash App for other purchases, adding it as a payment method on Doordash can make things easier. So let's get started. Okay, before anything, make sure you have a Cash App card. Okay, you cannot add Cash App directly to Doordash. You need to use a Cash App card. Okay, so this is Cash App's debit card that actually lets you use your Cash App balance for purchases, just like any other debit card. If you don't have one, you can order one through the Cash App and just open the Cash App. Just go to the card tab, follow the instructions to get yours, and once your card arrives, activate it through the app and you're good to go. Okay. So once your Cash App card is ready, guys, what you want to do is it's basically time to add it to DoorDash as a payment method. So you want to actually open DoorDash on your phone. Just tap on the account icon at the top left corner to access your account settings and just go to payment methods and select add payment. So you just want to enter your Cash App card details, like just how you would for any other debit or credit card, right? Just enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing zip code, and then just save it, okay? And that's it, guys. Your Cash App card is now linked to your DoorDash as a payment method. And if you want to place orders with Cash App, what you want to do is just browse DoorDash, add items to your cart, and head to checkout. And when you're in checkout, you want to select Cash App card as your payment method. During checkout, just complete the payment and you're set, guys. The funds will actually be deducted directly from your Cash App balance. It's basically like a debit card. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys. With your Cash App card set up on DoorDash, you're now ready to order with just a few taps, guys. It's a super convenient way to pay, and it keeps everything in one place, right? So if you found this video helpful, guys, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips